What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video and update on Arbitrum. Wanted to do a quick technical update on that. We'll talk about some fundamentals as well for Arbitrum specifically. I think that's interesting. I think you need to know about that. I think it's valuable. And then I'll tell you what I think is going to happen with Arbitrum. We just had a bullish breakout, I would argue, on the 15-minute time frame, so it's not that strong, but still it does say something. So we're going to be talking about that. Let's get right into it. Before we start with that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals, including on, hopefully soon, Arbitrum, check out the links down in the description. There you'll find instructions on how to join, but also trade results, that type of stuff. So alright, yesterday with when Arbitrum launched, what I said to kind of start off with, what I said is that the first moment I would start to look at some Arbitrum buys is when the percentage of addresses that claimed there, or the percentage of the Arbitrum supply of the airdrop was claimed, was around 80%. Right now it's around it's 77.1% of the total airdrop tokens claimed. So very high, very soon, and that's why I also just bought. So I do want to say that. Perhaps that makes me a bit biased. I don't mind losing it, but I just wanted you to know that. So very quick. During that entire time, the price actually held up surprisingly well, and altogether, what you could see from basically the start of the token generation event is that we got bullish momentum. We were making higher lows since practically yesterday afternoon. We initially actually dropped down quite severely, down to, well, not severely, but down to 1.2. And what I identified, and you can disagree with me or not, is that the main resistance level, and usually you see that the main resistance level is around 1.5. Big psychological level, of course. Usually the psychological levels are extra strong after when a new token is launched. So that is what we just did. We broke above that. Now I have to say, and most of you know that, and most of you are probably irritated by that, but this is the 15-minute time frame. All right, we have to do that with new tokens. A breakout on the 15-minute time frame is not that strong. So what I would probably need to see is to at least get a bullish breakout above at the 1 hour time frame as well, above 1.5. And if that happens, and most of you know that I'm 100% realistic, I really think that the most likely scenario is that we will rally up higher. Now we now found resistance at 1.55. I mean, if you take a look at levels Arbitrum is reacting to right now, you look at 1.45, 1.5, 1.4, 1.35, 1.3 is not that respected. So probably the next resistance level is going to be 1.6. But after that, I mean, the next major resistance level in my eyes, what we could do for that is also to drag and to make a quick 1.618 fib here. Another one here. Those 1.618s are very strong at the beginning. There seems to be massive resistance right here, but around 1.6. So let's keep that as the next resistance level. But if we break above that, I would argue the next resistance level, which is the 2.618, but also a massive psychological level, is 1.75. So if we can actually solidify this bullish breakout, so on the 15-minute time frame, just find support at 1.5, 1.45 and hold it as a support. If we can do that, I think the sky is the limit. But yeah, as I said, I might be biased. Obviously, I would want the price to go up even more, but we'll see. I mean, it's a huge project. It would definitely deserve to get higher than this. I think you could make a fair argument as to why it's still undervalued right now. It's at a 2 billion market cap, and if you take a look at the daily active addresses and stuff, here's Arbitrum. You can see that the daily active addresses is 500,000. Total value locked of 2.1 billion. Compare that, for example, with Polygon, that has a 1.1 billion total value locked and almost 400k daily active addresses. So altogether, you could make the case that Arbitrum is worth more than Polygon, and that's at a 10 billion market cap. Obviously, there's more at play there, but just to give you an idea. So yeah, that's what I expect for Arbitrum right now. If you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, take care and bye.